This is Chef Von of Von's Pizza. Say mo, hi guys!
Hi guys! This is the thin crust.
Oh,
Okay.
wow. Nagawa siya ng thin crust.
Thin crust. 24 hours fermentation. That is the right dough for the pizza dough.
Oh, wow. 24 hours fermentation.
That is the secret, guys. Now it's not secret na.
Oh, shit. You're
So
giving away your trade secret, huh?
The dough is ferment well, easy to digest.
Oh, go. Okay. Soft dough.
We made pizza too. What's this about?
Saan mo nilalagay yung pag kine-ferment?
Ano lang, sa room.
Oh, wow.
This is the favorite of Kuya!
Oh, the favorite of Kuya Ford?
Pork is your favorite, right? Bacon. Prosciutto arugula. Prosciutto arugula.
Von's Pizza, the original Italian pizza in the whole Metro Manila.
Hello po. Hello, tita. Gagawa na namin yung pizza na. Sabado yata yan.
This is the special sauce.
Pomodoro sauce. Bacon is the fourth favorite, right? Fourth.
Yun. Chef Von, kailan ka ba nag-start
Pandemic to eh, no, bebe, no? 5 years ago.
Oh, 2022.
Oo. Pandemic.
Oh,
Pandemic
yeah.
baby namin to. So,
Yun.
Singapore
Saan mo
ako.
naman natutunan ng paggawa ng pizza?
Sa Italian restaurant sa Singapore. La Cantina.
Ah.
La Cantina. So, pandemic hits. Nagsarado yung restaurant.
In Singapore?
Singapore. Kaya nag-decide ako mag-business na ng pizza dito.
Ayun.
Ay, ano mo na yan, Chan? Meat lovers, sige. Meat lovers, sige. Sige.
Ngayon, dati ikaw lang gumagawa mag-isa, Chef Von. Ngayon,
Ano na. Matanda na eh.
4 na ngayon yung
Sumasakit na yung likod ko.
assistant mo ah.
Dala. About you, ate.
Ano yung white sauce?
White sauce.
Special white sauce?
Prosciutto arugula naman to. This one, prosciutto arugula. Ayun mo na.
Wow.
Sino may favorite ng prosciutto arugula? Ate.
So ilan lahat ng total pizza na ginagawa mo? Like flavors?
Flavors marami, nasa 20 to 15 flavors. Depende sa mga
Pero ang mga talagang nasa menu, around 20 pieces. Alright.
20 na flavor.
Flavor.
Fourth, I will do the prosciutto, okay?
Prosciutto. This one is the prosciutto pizza. Wow.
Prosciutto is a cured meat.
Cured meat? Ah, wow.
8 months.
Ah, yan.
8 months cured meat
Oh, wow.
lang. Prosciutto. Ano dyan ka na pala?
What is the best pizza,
Andun pala,
chef,
ano pala? Best pizza na?
na ginagawa mo? Yung pinaka talagang top of the line. Kumbaga, yan yung
Prosciutto, the prosciutto.
prosciutto. Oh, wow.
Kita doon na pala yung meat. Meron na doon.
Oh, okay.
Prosciutto ay meron gula. Sa cured meat, 8 months.
Oh, yeah.
8 months bago nyo siya makain.
So, i-cure mo na siya talaga for 8 months before you
Chan.
put it in your pizza, ha?
Ito other side.
So, this is the... But, ano flavor to, bro?
Prosciutto arugula po.
Oh, wow, prosciutto arugula. White sauce pala yan.
That was pineapple for a second. That was pineapple.
You like pineapple, sir? Pork pala, pork.
Then that's mozzarella cheese.
Pineapple.
Yan,
Opo, okay na po. Tela.
yan chef, ano naman yan?
Ito prosciutto arugula to.
The other one.
So yung mga meat lovers.
Oh, wow. Meat lovers.
Siyempre, yan na yung sa inyo na team brand. Rider sa labas. Nakatingin muna. Rider sa labas.
Ano kanila mako-connect, Chef?
Page, Boss Pizza House. Message lang kayo.
Okay. How about, do you have any cell phone number so that they can call?
Sa ano lang, sa page lang. Kasi hindi, wala kami signal dito sa loob.
Ah, okay.
Sa page lang kami nagre-reply.
So, sa Facebook page, Von's Pizza. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So ba yan?
You're gonna like our pizza.
Von's Pizza House.
Tala, malabas na. Chinters na meat lovers.
Ito na yun, Chef. Wow, sarap ah.
Nakikita
Talagang
nyo, ilalim
kumukulo pa.
ito yan.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
We don't sell raw dough here in Von's Pizza House. Saka yung pepperoni, tingnan nyo, caproni tawag yan.
Oh,
That is
caproni.
the right cooking for pepperoni. Yun, para siyang mangkok.
Oh, yeah? Wow.
Hindi yung parang pinatong lang.
Yeah. So, dapat talagang toasted in a way, no?
Toasted.
Wow. Von's Pizza, ha? Then you will answer me back. Uy! Ito pala, next.
Wala tayo, meat lovers na labas na.
What's this again? Arugula. So, saan mo naman nakukuha yung mga ingredients mo?
Ito, BGC.
BGC, wow. May tanim pala doon sa BGC.
Ano yan, organic.
Organic, wow. So, ito, this one is the arugula pizza thing, di ba?
Not yet done.
Not yet done. Talagang cook for perfection, ha?
Pag bibili kayo, di ba? Ganyan.
Oh.
White pa yung, pale pa yung bilid. Hindi kami ganyan. Well done kami.
So, normally, it's talagang toasted siya. Ayun.
Well done yung pizza.
Because it becomes crunchy.
Crunchy and easy to digest.
Oh, yeah. That's why. Okay. Pag yung mga...
Yung
Pag,
eat raw pizza, it's not easy to digest.
oh, okay. So, but if you well done pizza, it's very much digestible. Huh? Oh, okay. Do you also create a pan pizza, Chef?
Pan pizza.
Oh.
Pan pizza.
So more on
Round lang.
round and thin slice.
Team, like Ate Bella, before you do pizza here, right?
So ito na yun. Oh, wow. So you're going to slice it na, Chef? Wow. Masipag slice for action ng dating.
That's what it shows.
Naririnig mo yung pagiging crunchy niya.
That's what it shows the crunchy is.
Kuya,
Better living. Oh, wow.
I don't like salad.
Oh, wow. Okay. Grabe, oh. Tsura pa lang. Looks yummy na, di ba? Wow.
oregano.
Wow. Okay.
John,
Oh, this one, what pizza is this?
Bacon.
Bacon. Okay.
Velan pizza.
Wow.
Sige, mamaya pa to. Gusto mga 1 minute pa.
1 minute pa. Ah, okay. So, again, how can we
Message
contact you?
on page, Von's Pizza House. Okay.
FB
and
page, no? Von's Pizza House.
Open Monday to Saturday, Sunday close.
Alright. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ito na yung mga dahil ng Von's Pizza. Isa pa.
Prosciutto.
This is meat lovers, prosciutto, and the other one is the bacon thing. Mukhang masarap, ah. Grabe. First time mo ba dito sa Von's Pizza? Oh yeah? Wow. Authentic Italian pizza. Only here in Better Living, Parañaque. Again, this is Von's Pizza. Oh, tita. Like us in Facebook. Yeah. They do delivery, pero you just need to like and like his page, Von's Pizza, Stone Oven Pizza. Authentic Italian pizza made by Von's. Cool. Name it. Yan, titikman namin ang Von's Pizza.
Coca-Cola. Cola.
The proper way eating pizza is just
Hold it.
hold it. Fold it, hold it. You don't need the utensils. Mmm.
Kuya po.
Oh, panalo. So, titikman naman namin ngayon yung Guan's Pizza. Let's do this. The perfect bite. Wow. Panalo. Italian na Italian. This one is the meat lovers. Tayo natin lahat isa-isa. Mmm.
Tama mo yung buto
Hey,
dito.
yo.
Ito yung may bunto.
It's Will's first time eating here. This is Will's first time.
Ayaw, picture ata.
Wow. Perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Hindi siya nakakaumay. Pag tinikman mo siya, hindi siya nakakaumay. You are craving for another bite.
Kuya po.
Tastes heavenly. Very unique. Pero punta-puntahan to dito sa Better Living.
Bella's favorite.
Mm.
Sorry, baby.
Yep.
What is this?
Okay, the proper way eating a pizza is holding your hand, holding it in your hand like this. Mm. Perfect bite.
Chili.
Kasi pag kinakain mo yung pizza,
Tingin mo kasi po
mas maninamnam kung kinakamay mo. Di ba, Fort? How do you like your pizza? One? How do you like it? One? Okay. You want a bite?
I like this pizza.
Yeah, but you need to hold it like this.
I want to cut it
Hmm? I'm going to eat like this one. Look.
because it's hot.
It's not. No. One more.
It's not hot, man. It's hot.
Huh? No. Sarap. Classic. Masarap ako kung may soft drinks ka. So,
Classic amazing.
what?
Classic amazing.
Oh, you like Von's Pizza? Even the kids love Von's Pizza.
Kuya po.
This is my dad.
I already went here.
Hmm?
I already went here. That's why
A pizza?
I already.
Again, this is Jomar here at Von's Pizza. Cheers.